In the world of computer programming, we often need to repeat a set of instructions multiple times. This is where loops come in handy. Loops are programming constructs that allow us to execute a block of code repeatedly until a certain condition is met. Imagine you want to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Without loops, you would have to write 10 separate print statements. Loops simplify this process significantly. There are different types of loops, but the basic idea remains the same. Repetition. We'll focus on a specific type of loop structure called nested loops. Now, let's dive into the concept of nested loops. As the name suggests, a nested loop is simply a loop within another loop. Think of it like this. You have an outer loop that controls the overall repetition, and inside that loop, you have an inner loop that performs a specific task repeatedly for each iteration of the outer loop. Let's say you're baking cookies. The outer loop could represent the number of trays of cookies you want to bake, while the inner loop could represent placing each individual cookie on the tray. For each tray, outer loop iteration, you repeat the process of placing cookies, inner loop iterations, until the tray is full. Let's look at a C++ code snippet that uses nested loops to generate a pattern of stars. C++ hash include int main, / outer loop, controls the number of rows for int I equals sign 1, I equals sign 5 plus I, return 0. This code will print the following pattern, asterisk, asterisk. Here's how it works. The outer loop runs 5 times from 2. For each iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop runs times, printing a star each time. After the inner loop finishes, we move to the next line using. This process repeats, resulting in the star pattern. Nested loops are a fundamental concept in programming, enabling us to perform repetitive tasks efficiently. They are particularly useful for working with two-dimensional data structures like arrays and matrices, where we often need to iterate over rows and columns. Understanding nested loops empowers programmers to create complex patterns, process data in structured ways, and develop sophisticated algorithms. By mastering nested loops, you'll unlock a powerful tool in your programming arsenal.